Like, sorry guys, like this. Is it okay? Like this.
What are we?
I just trying to like under the bar.
Give me the place. I want to lift this up. I can't wait for it. Let's go.
Can you just hold them up, please? I just want to move the bar a little bit. Move the bar a little bit. And like, sorry. I just put in here. Sorry. Just try it, please. Hold it.
I hold him up.
No. Give me like this. Yeah, good. I'm good.
Yeah.
It's not correct, or? From 0 to hero. I will try one more time, guys. And okay, just one more time, guys. Just one. Not funny, like, superhero. I just saw it like. No. Superman. This is like this. Superhero.
I hold him up.
Guys, I don't know how I find it. Superman. Helicopter.
It's for arms. For legs.
I think it's for arms. I'm sorry.
Yes. Okay, can I clean here? It's no problem. Just a moment. You have just 2 minutes. I hold him up.
What is this one?
I hold him up.
How you do this? No. Like this. Why you like laughing? It's just joke right here. Because I feel like you're laughing because like I am like weak or
No.
it's like yeah. Still like help for what I can do. It's okay. I always do this for arms, but for me it's like heavy.